Look at these gears, man. See, so these we had to cut off because the bolt had kind of got stuck in there. Look at that mug. Them shits is like, boom. Yes, man. I like that shit. You nice with it, man. Oh, man. Y'all already know who got me on the towing. What it do, Reckless Gang? Back with another video, boy. In this video, we gonna get a new rear end, put in a 88 Monte Carlo. So we finally gonna get the ball rolling on that today. Y'all see, she kind of took a shit on us after we got our tent put on. She kind of took a shit. So we here, y'all. What you seeing?
Fucking pinion gear, all the fucking teeth are gone.
Gone.
Completely gone.
Jeez. Was it okay? So when you opened it, did any fluid come out?
Nothing came out.
Hey Trey, he said that mug was dry. That's why she was screaming like that.
Hell yeah.
That's exactly why she was screaming, pulling these heavy ass wheels.
Jeez.
See, man, I see it.
Yeah,
that shit's completely gone down.
Basically came off the pinion gear onto the ring gear.
I see all that. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Damn, boy. Hey, he said when he opened it, he said ain't nothing come out. That mug was dry.
Smell it though. It's
Hell yeah, that shit stink. That's exactly what we was smelling too, bro.
It's terrible.
Wow. I'm surprised that cover came off like that. Hey, go ahead.
So that's why they ain't got no gears. It's just rolling.
So no park, no drive, no one, no two, nothing.
Saved you.
Yeah.
That shit stink,
That
boy.
shit just spinning.
Yeah. No contact with the drive shaft.
Don't you got it in park?
And I got that shit in neutral right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's in neutral right
Well, it
now.
don't matter. I mean, see, I'm spinning the drive shaft
There ain't
now.
nothing spinning.
Oh shit.
Nothing.
Yep.
Ooh boy, saved you.
Yes,
Thought it was a
man.
transmission.
I thought it was a
There's
trend.
no teeth left on the pinion gear. They're all mashed up into the ring gear.
Wow, that's what we was hearing. And then look, I called him. I think he ended up telling me the rear end needed to be replaced because I was like, bro, I'm hearing the loud whining noise. That before we did the training, and he told me, he said, yeah, I think you need another rear end put in. Shit, it's okay though. We got that. We got them big Yukon gears going in now. So do I need to get a seal for that rear plate right there?
No, it came with one.
Came well, okay, so 10-4. So do we need the fluid? That's it?
Yeah, what was it? 8090, I think it was.
80-90. Alright.
Yeah, 8090.
Alright. 80-90. Alright, so what about the studs? Are you not that far into it? Yeah. Basically, my question with the studs, do you think those be long enough to put the rotors on? Cause you see where you cut them off here, cause these are original ones. Yeah, I just place them off. I mean,
if you're going to get oil, you might as well pick them up, and if you don't need them, you can always take them back.
Take them back, okay. 10-4, that worked. That sounds like a plan.
One of the biggest things I'm gonna have an issue with on this is getting that nut off for that pinion gear.
That
I got nothing to keep it from spinning really.
Right.
So,
I got another one of these. Okay, yeah, I got you. I got like a little pry tool that we can kind of stick in it.
That's pretty much what's probably gonna have to happen.
Yeah, 10-4. 10-4. Well, I'm here. Well, I'm about to eat my food in the car, and then we're gonna ride to O'Reilly. So let me know when you're ready for me.
Do the brakes on this still work?
What, the e-brake?
Or e-brake or?
Yeah, the brake. Yeah, they work smooth. They're real smooth. Yeah, I just had the little piece. They were hard. I had them fix it. I just had them changed.
Okay.
Yeah, I had them changed.
Yeah, I'll probably at some point have someone step on the brake so I can get it, but I need to do that right this second.
Yeah, the brakes are smooth though. The brakes are smooth.
Get a hand, bro. Ready.
Yeah. I'm about to eat right quick, and then I'll be ready for you.
Alright.
All right, 10-4. All right, Reckless Gang. So we still at it. So one of the pinion kind of broke off. So some of it kind of got stuck into the housing. So that's kind of giving us a little headache right now to get it off. but then we kind of finessing our way around that. So we gotta go try to hunt down this boat. I'm about to show y'all this right quick. Let me show y'all. We gotta go hunt down this boat right here. So it's supposed to be way longer than this. So I'm gonna try to pull up at O'Reilly's, see if we can match it up, see if they can find it for us. And I'ma definitely get them seals. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pick those seals up too while we're there. Make sure it's good. So make sure I see all this. Yeah, boy. Yeah, we getting there. So now that we this far seeing what I'm seeing, that 4 9-inch, I probably should have waited for the 4 9-inch, but y'all know we trying to ride like this week type, so we ain't gonna do that 4 9-inch. But definitely when we go ahead and put our supercharger on here, either supercharger or a turbo, change our fuel injectors out, we definitely going with that 4 these gears, man. See, so these we had to cut off because the boat had kind of got stuck in there. So look at that mug. Them shits is like melted. So now he's working on getting the housing cleaned out. Yeah. Get all them little shavings and shit up out of there. Y'all know we can't put that back in there. It's definitely a no-go. So we're gonna chill here for a little bit and see what we get. See what we get. Man, so hopefully the kit came. I'm hoping that it came with all these bearings and shit. It should have came with those bearings, but if not, then we're gonna have to pick that up for tomorrow. But y'all know we got an axle right here. We're gonna try to put some new studs on those axles. I got new studs for those. Kind of Julio had to put those adapter plates on my studs. So for the most part though, man, I think we getting somewhere. No cap, no kizzy wizzy. Yeah, I know we had those replaced. Yeah, man, see if we can get up in that rear end, though. We gotta see all that gushing now. So, yeah, we almost there, man. We almost there. Big 373s going in that mug. You feel me? So, yeah. We cooking. Eee. All right, so Reckless Gang. We had to go get some parts for the Monte Carlo for the rear end again, so we back at the next night. This is day number 2. So we gonna show y'all the seal that we had to get. So tell me this one here. Excuse me. So y'all see how this bad boy look, right? Look how this bad boy look. I ain't trying to put that on my seat, man. It's alright, man. It's a work car. It's alright. See how them different they is, so hopefully they're the same piece. They're the same size. But y'all see how this one don't got no rubber on the inside compared to that one. So, boom. Let's go ahead and take that to them. Get these put on, and I got that piece as well too. That's in these other boxes, and I got some brake fluid because I know you got the rear brake kit. So, put that back in there. All right, Reckless Gang. Got that plug going back in this. We got so far. Almost there. Still gotta work on that conversion kit shit too, but we're gonna see if we can get that done. But trying to at least get the gears going so we can at least get back on the road, get running again. But what we got right now. So stay tuned.
Alright, so Reckless Gang. We got the rear end put back together. We got brand new shoes on there. Cause this side was tore up. Let me see if I can find it. This one ain't that bad, but the other one, oh man, it was falling apart. Can't find it, but look at that rear gear, man. That shit ball. Yeah, but look at this brake pad, this brake shoe, I meant. This thing toe up. So we about to get the first start, see how them brakes feeling. Yeah, pump them up, yeah.
Our brake fluid good?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was a lot in there yesterday. We took these adapters off and we ran spacers instead of adapters. All right, I'm ready. Probably need to adjust them up. Alright, reckless gang. Testing out the brakes here. They still feel super spongy, but I think we just need to get them adjusted a little bit. How the oil pressure? We have 42 pounds. Stay tuned for part 3. Don't miss part 3. It's cold. They super soft. I feel they need to be adjusted down tighter. They probably just froze. It's cold. You good? Come on back a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. All right, that's good. That'll work. Can't forget about the imp. Went from granny gears to 373. It ought to blow the tires off. It won't do nothing. Ooh. We got brakes. Let's see how she rides. Oh yeah, she feels stronger, bro. I want to see what that second gear feel like. Here go the tuner. See, we got 40 pounds of pressure.
I'm trying to let it kind of warm up a little bit.
Yeah, it's at 100 degrees right now. It's super cold. See, it got 50 pounds of oil though. That's great.
She feel good though, man.
Yeah, yeah.
That's that front bump, that front little clip. That she feel hella good. I'm gonna hit it when we got that bump. Oh shit, boy.
You can tell it was spinning like fuck. It'll do hella donuts. Oh, second gear, no, that feel good. Nah, that feel good, bruh. Nothing wrong with second gear, bruh.
I don't hear nothing.
How you feeling right now, bruh?
Good. I don't hear shit.
Yes, sir. A lot of time and dedication in this build.
I don't hear shit. The brakes like they get way better too.
Yeah, just gonna work this up together.
Yeah.
I don't hear no funky grinding or nothing.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to slow down and see what. I don't hear shit. I don't hear no
And she got that dig.
I'm about to let's see what she's doing first gear though. Let's see what she's doing first.
I'm happy for you, bruh.
Damn, bro. So we caught, man. Look, so the mechanic pulled up, man. Oh, he got lucky, bro.
Yeah.
He got lucky, bro.
Yeah, cause
the
man.
feel good, bro.
Yeah, they
the brakes feel good, bro.
Yes, sir.
The brakes feel good.
Hey, we got a lot of time and dedication in this bitch. We gonna smack it.
You felt that pop, that was your first.
Yeah. See, it feels strong second. Second, it was slipping like,
I don't hear shit though, bro.
Yeah.
No, fuck yes, bro.
We got good oil pressure, 56 pounds.
56.
The brakes feel strong to me.
Yeah, so they good. They good now.
On the LS swap, you gotta have this screen, man. If you don't got no gauges,
tell you what's going on with
you
the
gotta
car.
have this, man. Y'all see it, we out on the street.
No, he not here.
We out on the street. 373s.
I think it's rubbing against his
Yeah, ain't giving it no turn.
Yeah. He's hitting against that shit.
time. Yes, sir. We can do a burnout now. Beautiful. Reckless gang.
Spin, that's all I want to know. Spin a little bit.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Both tires. Now you can see where it's eating the tires up.
Ah, shit. Man, they done fucked up.
You want to see how she feel on the highway, or you ready to take it back?
Nah, we can take it back and clean the shit up and we can cruise up. I mean, what you about to be on?
All right, Reckless gang. I'm going to catch you when we get on the highway.
Real win, soon I snatch it, it's already gone. Went to the right doctor,